So I will vlog today about our PCP. PCP is Philippine College of Physicians, and today is the first day of the convention in Manila. So we will go there, and unfortunately I'm duty tomorrow, so I'm going back to Pampanga tomorrow to have duty, and then the day after I will go back to Manila again. So medyo hassle siya, guys, pero ganun talaga kasi nagjo-duty tayo. So yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog the convention and the experience as well as my duty in between. So let's see how that goes. And yep, short hair na ako, guys. So yeah, new look. So yeah, see you later. Thank you. Got my ID. So we're here at Sea Residences. This is where we're staying with my roomer. Roomie for one night. As usual. Wait lang, ulit. Pasok ka ulit. Pasok ka ulit. Oh, sige. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of PCP convention and I'm duty. So we're supposed to go back this morning to have duty and here's my duty. So we're just waiting for our sundo to pick us up and bring us back to the hospital. And then tomorrow we'll come back here for the convention again. So I just bought snacks from Alphamart to eat before duty. I bought Goldilocks cake slice and mineral water and pulveron. Okay, so this is my breakfast for today. And yeah, last night medyo we went out and we got home late. Pero nagising naman kami ngayon, so all is well. So see you when we get to the hospital. Hi guys, so we're done endorsing. Yung mga ka-endorsan namin umalis na papuntang PCP. So now we're left here to have duty. First thing I do pag nag-duty is maglinis ng quarters. So ngayon ayusin natin yung quarters para malinis ang environment and we have peace of mind. So itong quarters pala na to, sa loob siya ng ER namin. So para mabilis kami gisingin pag duty, pag may cold. So yeah, lilinisan natin siya. I do is change the bed sheet. So it's currently 2:35 PM and ngayon pa lang kami kumakain. Here's our food. It's binagoongan. What's that? Yung time. Hindi siya kita. 2:35 PM. So, actually marami pa rin pasyente sa labas pero nahihilo na kami. So, kakain na kami.
Parang binabipin mo siya. Parang piling ko holiday. Dito mo na lang. Parang piling ko holiday.
Holiday, daming tao nga eh. Piling ko nga, very regular weekday.
Hindi yung parang nagbakasyon. Yung walang pasok sa hapon. Hindi ba yan? Hindi ko siya pinamot.
it's currently 6:30 p.m. and we have a dinner break. Pero busog pa kami, so magsa-snacks lang kami. Para diet din pag may time. So, nagko-coffee ako at 6 p.m. in the evening. Kasi wala lang, feel ko lang mag-coffee. At nagtitipid kami dahil ang dami kong ginastos sa Manila. So, 3-in-1 na lang. Anong kuha ng patient mo?
More than 100. First, ko makita na ito.
Pero hypotensive.
100 over 60.
Tapos,
Actually, wala akong ginawa. Actually, stroke history check. Ginamit ako na, pinito. Septic nito.
hindi ko maalala kung pinaprofile ko siya.
Prior na meron pong temporal headache si patient na nag-relate hanggang hospital area na 8 out of 10 daw po yung pain. No consult was done, nag-take lang po ng paracetamol, tapos nagpo-provide daw po ng temporary relief, pero bumabalik din daw po talaga. Tapos may neck pain din po siya, dizziness, nausea, and hindi naman po ever na-comment. No facial asymmetry naman po, loss of balance. Tapos, and no flaring of sickness po pala. Tapos, 1 day prior po, yung headache daw po, lumala daw po siya, tapos yung neck pain din po nandun pa rin, dizziness na lang siya. Tapos, now with chest pain na daw po. Although hindi naman daw po siya nag-repeat anywhere. Dito lang po talaga siya. Na parang stabbing, tumutusok. Na 5 out of 10 po. Tapos nag-rest lang daw po si patient. Tapos minsan daw po nagpo-provide. Pero ngayon po kasi nandun pa rin po talaga.
Dinner time nila. Punta kayo. Hi!
Yan po, nag-diet po siya. Hindi siya kumain.
So, ito po yung PGI namin. Si Aaron. Hi! Tapos,
Yung braso ko.
Irene. Irene, diba?
Yes, po.
So, kakain na sila. Ako, nag-a-admit pa. Pero for the diet. Kaya pa? Boy ka pa? Ano pa? First duty mo ba to?
Sa inyo daw.
First duty. Okay ka pa naman. Kaya ko to. Kaya mo yan. Wala kang choice.
So, kung kayo i-dessert, di ba? Yung tour.
On our way to 7-Eleven with the kid. Feature kita ulit sa vlog ko. Wala ba pala?
Sponsored eh. Biglang gusto mama sa vlog.
Thank you, Doc.
Ay, wow!
Hi, guys!
Sana kayo may sinasama.
So, pabalik na po kami sa Manila.
Naka-record tayo.
Para po
Mag-review.
So, this is the From Duty team. In transit on the way back to Manila. Naipasa na po namin ang trono. Okay. Let's see. Wala po kaming ligo-ligo. Basta sumakay na lang po kami sa van. Tapos bahala na pagdating
Okay
ko.
ba siya nagsalita yung mga mga nyo?
Okay. See you later. Tulog muna kami. Hi guys! So, we just arrived in our hotel for tonight. It's the Lime Beach Hotel. So, it's so cute. I'll show it to you. So, suot ko to kahapon pa. So, maliligo na ako. Hi, Lalat! So, maligo na tayo.
Maligo na tayo.
Hello! So, we dressed up and this is the outfit for the day. We're heading out. Right in front of SMX MOA. So, strategy namin umupo dito para nakikita namin yung pila sa Ben&Ben. So far, marami pang nakapila. Kain muna kami while waiting for the pila. Sana papasok na kami kahit huli na kami sa pila. So, we realized we didn't eat breakfast and lunch. So, worth it naman tong Mentocoro dinner namin. And we're just here while waiting for Ben&Ben. Sana papasok pa kami after.
naman namin po kayo makakamusta isa-isa. Pero kung meron po kayong pinagdadaanan na hindi nyo masabi sa kahit kanino, ang sinasabi ng next song na to ay ang mantra na minsan kailangan nating sabihin, all will be all right in time. And if you know this song, let's sing together. This next song is called Leaves. And I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you'd be there. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be. 'Cause everything we cherished is me. And in the end, can you tell me yes, it was worth to try. So I can just say, if you know this, sing. Leaves will soon come from the balance of trees, and all will be alright. If they were only meant to last, why did your love fill my days? If it was never meant to last, was it never meant to last? Something new,
So guys, you wouldn't believe, sobrang lapit namin kay Ben and Ben. As in, sobrang, nasa harap lang namin sila. Tapos, sinatira nila yung araw-araw for the last song. Oh my God! Sobrang swerte namin, guys. Tapos, di man kami pumila kanina kasi kumain na kami. Pero, sobrang ganda ng posisyon namin. So thank you, Lord. You're the best. Okay. So, linibot po namin ng MOA para mahanap ang plater wraps. Dahil favorite ko ng kambal. So, nahanap na namin siya finally. Ordering plater wraps. Hi guys, so I just want to talk to you about something. As you noticed, I cut my hair. It's actually because I went through a breakup during residency. basha yan, ganun. Mga basha ang PEG. And, I just want to share how residency actually helped me go through the breakup kasi sobrang busy ko. As in, I had this terrible month in March. And then, nung April, sunod-sunod yung dapat kong gawin. I competed for a research paper. I had a postgrad. And then, yung last week, non-grand rounds ko. So, imagine how busy I was. And at that time, wala akong time umiyak. Literally. Wala akong time magmukmok. And honestly, mas nahihirapan ako mag-cope nung pag nasa bahay lang ako nagpapahinga. At least pag nasa duty ako, busy ako, hindi ko siya naiisip. So, I could not have imagined going through it if I wasn't in residency. Alam mo yung meme sa Instagram na do it whether you're tired, do it whether you're heartbroken, do it whether you're sad or you're happy. Literally, ganun yung na-feel ko sa residency. As in, whatever you feel, residency doesn't care. So, you just need to do your job. And by doing that job, I actually had my mind away from the breakup. So, weird, pero residency was like my coping mechanism. Pagod ako physically, pero pagka-uwi, good morning! So, we're on our way to the pool area for photo shoot. Then we'll have breakfast. Hi guys, so nagpicture-picture lang kami dito sa penthouse area. Hindi na kami mag-swimming kasi late na kami sa breakfast. So, for the picture, pumunta kami dito. Okay, bye! Hi guys, so we're having our breakfast here at Lime Hotel. For this breakfast buffet is the hot choco. Sobrang sarap. Parang baterol siya. So guys, we're checking out and this is our outfit.
Yeah,
we're twinnies for today. And goodbye, Lime Hotel. Bye! Outfit check! And check out. Hi guys, so we're on Okada. So it's her first time here, so she needs to see it. It's my second time here, or third time. So kailangan niyang makita kasi hindi pa niya nakita tong Okada. So what do you think so far?
it's nice. I didn't know that you're talking about.
What are we going to buy?
Can we afford this?
Pandora.
Pandora. Okay, we can buy Pandora.
Yeah, let's buy Pandora. So, nakapili na po kami ng kakainan. We'll eat at Fiery Style because we were not able to attend the fellowship night. So, we're eating
Okay, let's
here
go.
now. Yeah. tinanong ako nung kuya sa casino kung ilang taon na daw ako. Just to make sure na hindi ako minor.
Wow, ikaw lang.
Tapos,
Tapos naman din 18 years old, no?
tapos, as in sabi ko, 28 po. Tapos sabi niya, anong 19? Sabi pa niya. Just to make sure, no?
Actually, ang ganda. Maganda yung strategy niya.
Oo. So, pero kuya, I'm flattered. Thank you sa kuya na nagtanong kung ilang taon na kami.
Yeah.
Kahit matanda na po talaga kami. Mukha lang kaming, bagets. So we're now back here at MOA because someone needs to buy plater wraps again for the second time. Uwi daw niya sa Pampanga. So we're gonna look for a bingsu place here kasi nag-crave kami ng bingsu and then dito na kami ipipick up ng service namin. So yeah. Guys, merong nag-iwan ng drink sa tabi namin na almost more than half pa yung laman. Tapos mukhang masarap. Di namin alam ba't iniwan lang nila. Ang sarap ng drink. So, sayang. Naritem kaming kunin. Charon. So, nag-shopping po ang mga inday. Yes. Hinahanap namin yung service namin pa-uwi. Pero, naglakad kami ng super haba. Pero, si ate mag-hi ka. Hello! Hi! Sinakay kami ni ate kasi lumipat pala yung van. So, malayo na ulit. So, thank you kay ate na sinakay kami. Pasakay ng golf cart kasi pagod na kami. Pagod na pa. So, yun na pala yung end ng vlog ko, guys. I think, yeah, that's it. That's the end of our PCP convention. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. From MOA, SM Mall of Asia. Bye! Okay po, nahanap na po namin yung van namin pa-uwi. So, that's the end of my vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye! Uwi na kami. Bye-bye!